Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Over the years, people have asked me the difference between combine and group. And I've always tried to explain it, but I might have the best scenario. When I was making a video this morning, I did something that kind of changed my thought about it. So I'm going to draw a rectangle or a square. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate of it. So if we select them, there are two objects selected. I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard, and now I have two identical things. I'm going to select both these objects, and I'm going to Control G, what grouped them together. So now when you select them, you have a group of two objects. If you go over here to turn them into a color, you get that. If we select these and Control L and do not add, so these are hotkeys that are already in your Corel. I don't know where Corel came up with L. I know L is for left and Control L. I don't know where it is combined, but it's also under Object and Combine. So if we're going to combine these two, now look what's happened if we take it and make it blue. Just the two lines have been combined to make an outer object. The other way I used, like 2 weeks ago, I used to take the Smart Fill tool to make that object and then move it out of the way. But now that I kind of understand combine a little bit more, you can just combine them and make that object. Anyway, I hope that made a little bit of sense and helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.